Right, well, we've just received this very strange box which says the Twins FX all over it. I've got no idea what's inside this. People know the Twins FX are the people behind Zombie Encounter and the Alien Encounter that we did down in Weymouth at Fort Knock. So they asked for my address and this box has just arrived, so let's see what it is. There's lots of packaging. Let's just dump that on the table. Okay, so we've got a card that's so it says roads where we're going, we don't need roads. So the guys from Twins FX are working on the Back to the Future musical. To Michael, it's an extravaganza of a scare event, and here is your souvenir. Let's hope it does not hatch. Happy days, and I hope you have a cracking time. From Gary and Simon. Oh, I think I might know what this is going to be. Look! Alright, let's unwrap this. Wow. I have my very own alien egg. Look at that. Well, let's hope it doesn't hatch. Thank you guys, that will have pride of place in the study. So thank you very much.